a thriving university is really important to the health of our democracy at almost every level. We talked earlier about access to education. I think it's really important to our democracy that universities both appear and in fact are accessible to the broadest range of students. I mean, I'm, like I said earlier, a first generation student. And one of the things that we've been focusing on is how do we increase the number and percentage of first generation students? How do we demonstrate that this is an engine for social mobility and it's an engine of opportunity? And then how do we, through our research and our medical care, actually make the world a better place? I think that for those who are, like I said, familiar with universities, the connection is pretty clear. Have we convinced skeptics? I'm not so sure. And in some ways, this is the thing I worry about a lot. I mean, you look at polling data and there's an increasing amount of distrust of universities. And I don't know that we have done a good enough job of explaining why the one is so important to the other. And not just explaining, but demonstrating through the things that we're actually doing to others who might be skeptical that universities are absolutely critical. They're a critical piece of our democracy. And that is the audience, whether it is just the general public or whether it is legislators at the federal, state, or local level, meeting that skepticism, not just with publicity, but with examples of how and why we matter.